Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fubo buffering on iPhone. If your video is loading slowly, stopping or buffering again and again, don't worry, just follow the steps. First, check your internet. Fubo needs a strong internet connection to stream smoothly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If possible, move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, find the Fubo app, swipe it up to close it completely. Now open the app again and check the video. Press and hold the power button, slide to off, wait for 10 seconds, turn your iPhone back on. This fixes many temporary buffering problems. You can also open the App Store, search for Fubo app. If you see update, tap it. Old app version can cause buffering. You can also open the Fubo's app setting, lower the video quality from higher to medium. This helps reducing buffering on slow internet. Sometimes buffering is not your fault. The Fubo server may be busy or down. Wait a few minutes and try again later. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.